Hello and welcome back to Antique Restorations, and here we are with I got two box openings today. So we're going to see, now in here this is a very sad little doll, something that can be fixed, but let's take a look at her. I was chasing her down. Purelator was supposed to bring her to me, and they attempted to send her to me. This would have been the third time they tried. They say they tried to send her to me. I've been home, but nobody's rang the doorbell. So I was getting on their case about it because I want her. That's the bottom line to it all. So, but anyways, let's see what she's all about. I'm getting down to the last of the my dolls coming in for Christmas. I think I got two more coming in. I think something like that anyway. Oh, now. You'll know who she is right away as soon as I start taking off. She's 13 inches. Okay. Start down here by the feet. Now she's been repainted, so take that into consideration. There's her Tootsies. Let's take a look at it. Yeah. Oh my goodness, what a horrible, horrendous job they did on her. Oh my word. Okay. I'm going to hope that's acrylic. I think it is. We'll have to repaint. This is Shirley Temple, 13 inches. Whoa, Shirley Temple. And her eyes are in beautiful shape. This looks to be, I don't know if it's, oh, here we go. Well, I don't know if that's her original wig. Let's see. What does it say here? There is a, well, I don't know if it is her wig or not. It has that Shirley Temple look to it, so it could be, I don't know. But anyways, she needs some help. Yes, don't look at me. Oh my goodness. There she is. She's a 13-inch Shirley Temple doll. She's fully marked on the back. You can come up here to Stephen. It says Ideal Doll, made in the USA. You know, she does not say Shirley Temple. It just says USA 13, Ideal Doll. Now, I'm going to take it. It is Shirley Temple. Usually it says Shirley Temple right on there. But this one doesn't. It just says Ideal Doll, made in the USA, USA 13. So I'm going to assume she's got that look. She has dimples in there, but they're covered up with paint. You can kind of see them right in here. I'm taking it she is Shirley Temple. I do have a 13-inch Shirley Temple, another one that's in sad shape too. I'm going to pull her out sometime and we'll compare the two. We'll do a comparison of these two. I might go find her. And later on I'll make a video about these two. And, food for thought there. But I think she is a Shirley Temple. I'm pretty sure she is. Looking at mine, the one I have, and this one, I'm going to say yes for right now. We'll go with it because she's an Ideal doll. She is marked, and Ideal was the owner of Shirley Temple there, so we'll leave it at that. Now let's go to my second doll. Now I opened this one up because I wanted to make sure I had the right doll and the right, I was going to say the right thing. This is called I'm going to lift her out. A Bambo by Vicma. Now this is different. This is not something that I would normally collect. She's 20 inches. Okay, there. She's 20 inches tall. Put her up here. Oh, she's covered in tape, which is good. These, you know, well, ooh, I don't know if I want to do that with her. She's not sitting far underneath this paper. She is a different doll. I'm going to take her from the back. We're going to see her from the back first. I just don't want to show her this right away. We got it. Now she's in her original dress, I was told. Oh my goodness, she's huge. Wow. Okay, let's take a look at her. Oh, look at her. She's called the thumb-sucking Vicma Bambo doll. Is she, oh my goodness, she's got her big bloomers on, and does she have a tag? She's vinyl, a little bit different than what I've been bringing in the house. I don't see a tag on her, but I imagine she is marked on the back. Boy, she's got a head full of hair. And it says Vicma, but that's what they called her, a Bambo doll. And she sucks her thumb. There's her mouth. She's got a big mouth there. Right there. Oh, she's cute as a button. Oh my goodness, she's gorgeous. I just love her. I think she's just something different. And look at those big, almost like she's like a troll type of doll, I guess. I don't know. But she's got like a clowny nose. I'm not big on clowns. I'm not a big clown person. But, she is cute though. I took to her. I've been watching this doll for quite some time, like not this one in particular, but dolls like her. And I bypass them and go, oh, maybe someday, you know, she needs a good hair washing. Well, you can feel that in her. She needs her hair done. Now, I don't know what year. I'm going to say the 70s. I don't know, or the 80s maybe for her. I've never seen one before, but not around here anyways. Now, she might, now let's see, they say this is her original dress. And now you can see, okay, it's Velcro. So that tells you kind of the age too, when they were using Velcro and doll dresses and everything. If there were snaps and all that, then we could go back further, but we can't with that. So she does have Velcro. It's very interesting, this doll. She is just a different doll altogether. Wow. I gotta say, she is different. She's got these great big whopping feet. Like, I mean, she's gonna wear it. Let me see if she can wear. Wow, just want to see, these are, Mary Lou, don't look, I'm going to put her shoes on you that you like. These are Build-A-Bear shoes. Can she wear, whoops, can she wear, oh, she can get into a Build-A-Bear, well, kind of, oh, I got to squish her foot into it, though, but it can kind of work. I'm stretching the shoe out. Wow, I'm going to have to really look for a nice shoe for her, or she's going to be a Bear Tootsie girl, or maybe just with socks on. Oh, she's cute, though. I don't know, she's different, she's cute. We'll do an update on this little gal here. Now, this is Shirley Temple. I'm more than sure this is Shirley. I think what it is that she's just not marked with Shirley Temple on the back. I'm just used to a lot of, like, seeing on the back of most of my Shirley Temples that I get, it says Shirley Temple right in an arch going across the back. But she's marked Ideal, 13. I can't think but anything else what she is but Shirley Temple. So they probably marked her in various ways. But this little gal here, I'm just in love with her. She is cute. Oh, she's different. And that's what I liked about her. You know, this is my quirky side now. This is my Christmas quirky side that came out right here with this girl. She's going to get a hair wash. That's one of her next things coming up. We'll put a new bow in her here. It looks like her original bow and everything's there. But she is cute. Cute as a button. So I hope you enjoy these box openings here. I might have about 2 or 3 more dolls coming in, and then I'm done. And that will be it. So everybody, I wish you a great day today. We're getting close to Christmas here, and have a great day. And Stephen,
thank you for joining us.
Bye-bye.